What are some common Facebook ad copy mistakes? Now that you know the benefits of Facebook ad copy, let's look at some common mistakes to avoid. The most common mistakes people make with Facebook ad copy are: number 1. Not understanding your target audience. One of the most important aspects of creating effective Facebook ads is to understand who your target audience is. Without this key information, you cannot create relevant and engaging ads for your potential customers. Number 2. Not having a clear call to action. Your ad should have a clear call to action so that users know what they are supposed to do after seeing your ad. Without a clear call to action, users may simply scroll past your ad without taking any action. Number 3. Using too much text. People are more likely to engage with a visual ad that uses less text. Too much text can make your ad seem dull and uninteresting. Moreover, Facebook ads are typically limited to a certain amount of text, so it is important to use this space wisely. Use short, concise sentences, and include a call to action. Number 4. Not using visuals. Humans are visual creatures, so ads with strong visuals perform better than those without. Use high-quality images or videos to capture users' attention and help communicate your message. Additionally, it is important to use images that are relevant to your product or service. Number 5. Being too salesy. No one likes to be bombarded with sales messages, so strike a balance between promoting your product or service and providing value to users. Adopt a more subtle approach and focus on building relationships with potential customers. By avoiding these common Facebook ad copy mistakes, you can create more effective ads that convert. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.